This is a watch that I found on Aliexpress that looks just like the Apple Ultra watch that costs only $35. So today, I'm gonna find out if this is a scam or that is something we can wear daily. And now let's get it open, see what we got here. Oh, pretty nice packing here. So we have the watch itself. And also we got a band that looks just like the real one, man. It's definitely a lot lighter than the actual one, but it looks pretty nice though. It says Watch Ultra 49 millimeters. So here we have the rubber band. It's just like the actual one on the Apple website. So we got two bands right here. It's pretty long menu, so seems like we got quite a few functions in here. And this is the charger. It's just like the actual one that is magnetic. And here we have the actual watch. Wow, man, it got the weight. I thought it's gonna be something really light. Ooh, peel all this. I have to say, these are made really well. It looks just like the actual Apple Watch Ultra, man. You got buttons, you can turn it, you can push it, you can push here too. And we got speakers right here and another button. We also got a lot of sensors back here too. Let me try this. Wow, well that magnetic is pretty strong. See? So let's get it turned on. It says hello. So choosing languages. So English. Look at this. That's really nice. It's nicer than the actual one, man, actually. So we can switch a lot of stuff. Ooh, we got a lot of apps here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 14, we got 14 backgrounds here. So walking, running, exercising, so different kinds of moods that we can switch. Oh, so click twice, then we can get into the menu. So we got a lot of apps right here. It's definitely not gonna have Apple Store for sure, but I'm pretty sure we can download many more apps from their website or from the Android store. Let's use this backward. That one looks pretty sick. Let's put on the rubber band. Oh, it definitely is not that smooth as the actual one when you put on. I put it opposite side. All right, there we go. That is pretty nice. Look at this. It's just like the real thing, man. Look at this. That's pretty nice, huh? Let me see if I can get it connected to my iPhone and see what we can do with it. So scan this barcode. Oh, there we go. I got it instantly. Let's see. So hit connect. Oh, here's a more face. Let's see if it works. It got an arrow right here. It says installing. So we got that. Oh, we can install more faces from the app. Oh, that's pretty cool. We have a lot of apps. Okay, what about calling? Please pair audio 17C. What's 804633339? Hit call. There we go. It's calling. See?
For quality assurance. How can I help you?
Damn, that's pretty cool.
If you're calling about an email, say yes or press 1.
Never mind.
If not,
I got heart rates. Oh, it got it. It's getting it got my heart rate right here. That's actually pretty accurate. It's about 80, 85. It's actually pretty hot. Let me get this thing out. It's got the flashlights right here. Just like the regular Apple Watch, it becomes white screen. So in the dark, it's kind of like a little torchlight. Oh, it's got a breathing test. It's got a weather. You have timer. Oh, photograph. Oh, it actually works, I think. Let's see if we can take a picture here. Oh, you can take a picture. So you can use that as a remote. There we go, got steps, your calories and all that. The basic apps that the actual Apple Watch has it, this one has too. Yeah guys, so that's pretty much it. I say this is pretty incredible for $35. And if you want to have a watch that just look as cool as the Apple Watch Ultra, you may just spend $35 and get this thing. And for my opinion, spend that almost $1,000 on an electronic watch, I don't think it's really a good idea, because the moment you get it, you already lose the value of it. But if you're rich, then go ahead. I think I just want to have the cool look of this watch, but I don't think it's gonna be that easy to tell. So I'm gonna wear this to work tomorrow, see what's gonna happen. That's my review of this fake Apple Watch Ultra. Feel free to leave a comment of what you think about this watch. And as always, please be safe out there, and I'll see you in the next videos. Peace out.